In the following video, we see a demonstration of the breakaway coupling. In the first clip, you will see the breakaway fails to separate because the brake load is higher than the weight of the manifold it was supposed to protect. Because the force needed to break the braking bolts in the coupling is greater than the weight of the manifold, the truck drugged the manifold before the bolts broke. In the second video, we see the same breakaway manifold coupling configuration, but we have reduced the brake load of the bolts to 1,500 pounds force. As you can see, the breakaway brakes with minimal force applied to the manifold. At separation, the amount of lost product is minimal. After the breakaway has separated, it can be repaired in the field with minimal and simple tools. Please contact Dixon Customer Support for help to choose the proper brake load for your specific application.